Right, so I finally got my PCCM Plus radio. I actually ordered this from Porsche Silver Spring. I bought it for around 1,450 bucks. Really, that was sort of the cheapest one that I found from all the online vendors. I'll post the link in the description, but really everybody else, I live in Los Angeles, they were selling it for 1,800, sometimes even 2,000. Not worth it. I'm really excited this is here. It took about 3 months for me to get it. Definitely will wait 3 months to save $400 or $500, that's for sure. So let's open this up. A lot of padding here. Thank you. Wow. And then this is really, really nice. It's just good packaging. That's what it is. So that's gonna be replacing the really, really old radio that I have in there. So could you believe that that radio in my car is 18 years old? The car itself is 18 years old, but this is gonna boost it into this century. So I'm really happy about it. Can I just peel here? Really, really pretty packaging. Porsche Classic. Let's see, it looks like one of those, yep. Right. Lots of packaging. And you can see right here, there's the radio. Looks like it has a little barrier. I'm sure all the cables are in this little box. So I'll start pulling these out, but this radio looks great. They taped it here. Because I'm not going to install it immediately, I might just not open this, but really high quality. It's very slim. It's not like the big box type that I'm sure the original one is. So I'll take that one out and show it to you guys, but this looks great. And then actually, I do see that some of the paint looks like it's a little bit messed up right here. That's unfortunate, but because this part will be concealed, I'm really not gonna worry about it. I'm sure I can complain and, you know, they'd send me a new one, but at that point, you know, I don't really feel like it's not worth it to complain about that. So, I really don't care. All right, let me put this down here. And yeah, let me see what's in this little box. And yeah, all cables that come with it. So you have your Porsche Classic right here, little pamphlet. And yeah, this looks like it's just quick start guide of how the radio works. No installation instructions whatsoever. I've installed a couple of radios myself, so I'm gonna try it. So if I screw it up, you'll see it in the next video. It looks like a bracket, a couple of brackets, made in China. Open up this. This looks like the module for maybe the Bose system. So I'll go back and I'll read into this. And I know that there's a lot of different forms for this radio, so thank you for Renlist, essentially. You'll be my guide for installing this thing myself. So it looks like the GPS module right in this little box. So that comes with it. That one's made in Germany. And then the rest of these cables, and I'm not gonna open this right now, they're just cables. Yeah, they're included in here as well. So looks like they give you everything. It should be theoretically plug and play. Oh, actually, I am gonna open this, okay? Is this the microphone? Okay, no, that was kind of hilarious. I thought that was a microphone. I was gonna say that's the biggest thing I've ever seen in my life. It's not, I lied. Yeah, just a bunch of cables in here, fiber optic and whatnot. Okay, I lied, I am gonna open this up. This is the GPS antenna, so it's right in here. Got it. Yeah, so, you know, all in all, you have your goodies and should be a pretty fun install. I really like the packaging, but, you know, it's exciting to finally bring in the car into the 21st century. Yeah, it'll be great.